What if you could buy a laptop today that's already ready for the insane specs that GTA 6 will demand? Tech leaks suggest GTA 6 will need a top-tier CPU, GPU, 16 plus GB RAM, SSD storage, and 6 to 8 GB of VRAM just for smooth 1080p performance. In this video I'll show you Bruce Tech Lab's top 5 GTA 6 ready laptops. If you love high-end tech, hit that like button and subscribe for more gadget reviews. First up is the XMG Neo 16E25, 2025, a 16 desktop replacement powerhouse. It packs an Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, 24 cores, and an NVIDIA RTX 5090, 24 GB. With up to 64 GB, and even 96 GB, RAM and dual PCIe Gen for SSDs, it can easily chew through anything GTA 6 throws at it. Pros: world's fastest 16 laptop with optional water cooling. Cons: heavy, almost equals 2.8 kg, and very expensive. Best for enthusiasts who want max performance. Next, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16, 2025, is a slim 16 OLED gaming machine. It uses Intel Core Ultra 9 285H, 16 cores, and up to an RTX 5090, 24 GB. With 64 GB RAM. Its 2560 by 1600 OLED screen, 120 Hz, makes games look gorgeous. Pros: thin, premium build, great all-rounder. Cons: pricey and less upgradable. At 1.95 kg, it's more portable than the Neo 16. Third, the Razer Blade 18, 2025, is an 18 behemoth. It also has a Core Ultra 9 275HX and up to RTX 5090. Uniquely, it offers a dual-mode 18 display, 4K at 240Hz or FHD at 440Hz. So creators get stunning detail and gamers get ultra-smooth FPS. Pros: top-notch cooling, quiet for its class. Cons: very heavy, 3.1 kg, and expensive. Next is Lenovo Legion 918 IAX10, the 18 Leviathan. It features the same 24-core Core Ultra 9 275HX and RTX 5090, 24 GB VRAM, plus 64 GB RAM and up to 4 TB SSD, 2 2TB drives. The 183840 by 2400 IPS display is pre-calibrated and 240 Hz. This thing is built like a tank, for fan cooling, for XRAM, SSD slots, and scored top in benchmarks. Pros: unrivaled performance and expandability, chassis is high quality. Cons: massive, 3.5 kg, with huge PSU, loud fans and very short battery life. Finally, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14, 2025, is a 14 compact gaming laptop. It switches to AMD with a Ryzen AI 9 HX370, 12 cores, and up to an RTX 5080, 16 GB. Its 2880 by 1800 OLED at 120Hz display is vivid, and despite the tiny size it can be configured with up to 64 GB RAM. Pros: ultra-portable yet very powerful, great for creators on the go. Cons: expensive, and a smaller battery, but you get 120 Hz OLED. To sum up, all 5 meet our assumed GTA 6 needs: high-end CPU, GPU, lots of RAM, SSDs, and 8 plus GB VRAM. In short, the XMG Neo 16 and Legion 918 are ultimate desktop replacements. Raw power: the Razer Blade 18 and G16 strike a balance of performance and premium design, and the G14 is for those needing portability. Tell me which one you'd pick for GTA 6, or suggest another in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech guides. I'll see you in the next video.